Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is chronic. Chronic is an adjective that describes a condition, problem, or situation that continues for a long time or keeps returning over an extended period. For example, her chronic back pain had lasted for years, so she worked with her doctor to manage the discomfort rather than expecting it to disappear quickly. The apartment building had a chronic plumbing problem, with leaks returning every few months even after workers repeatedly repaired the damaged pipes throughout the property. His chronic lateness frustrated his coworkers because he regularly arrived after meetings had started, forcing everyone else to repeat information he had already missed. Synonyms for chronic include persistent, long term, ongoing, recurring, and continual. Chronic is often used in medical and problem solving contexts, and it emphasizes something long lasting or repeatedly returning, not something brief or sudden. That's chronic. One word, stronger English.